How to see TikTok private account videos. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. You will land to the home page. Now at the top right corner, you will find the search icon. Click on it. Now you can search for any of your private account and hit towards the profile of that account. You're gonna see this kind of interface. Now how to see the videos of this account. In order to see the videos of any private account, you'll need to follow it first. At the moment, you are not able to see the videos of private account. First, you'll need to follow this person. After this person accepts your request, you will be able to see the videos of this person. At the moment, this is the only way to see the videos of the private account. Videos uploaded to a private account are only visible to users on the contact list. So follow this account and with that, you'll get access to the videos of this account. I hope you guys are clear if you can see TikTok private account videos or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.